Hi, this is Josh, and welcome to the $100,000 account challenge. And don't tell me, I know, there are now 2 ghosts behind me, and I'm not scared. Let's just go trade. So day trading, if you didn't know, is risky. So use your stop losses, trade in a simulator. Whatever you gotta do to protect your money, do that. And welcome to Eva Trades. So let's take a look at my progress in the simulator. Day 19, today's day 20. But in 19 days, I'm up $66,215. Now that's pretty dang good. And I was just noticing that throughout this $100,000 challenge, I haven't had a single red day. That's amazing. As a matter of fact, if I look back at the challenge before this and add up the days that I was green, along with the days that I've been green in this current challenge, I haven't had a red day since right here when I lost $35 on the $10,000 challenge. So counting this up, I've had 34 green days in a row. As a matter of fact, if I looked at both these challenges together, 44 days, it took me 44 days to get to $10,000 trading smaller share size. And during that time, 44 days, I was green on all of those days except for 4 of them. One here, 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 and here. And I had a break-even day right here, a $0 day. But all of these days were really small. All of these losing days were really small. 4 red days out of 44, about 63 days of trading. That is amazing. Really awesome statistics there. So that just goes to show you that when you practice in a simulator, and I've never had results this good. Before I started this YouTube series, I would be lucky to have 10 green days in a row, and then I would have some pretty significant red days. I would still be up overall, but not quite as well. But ever since I started this YouTube channel, started making these videos, and started the $10,000 challenge and then the $100,000 challenge, it's been pretty incredible. My strategy that I've been practicing every single day, I'm getting better and better and better at it. That's why it's important to practice a strategy in a simulator before you start trading with real money. And I'm telling you that because I've been through the whole losing money thing, and I've lost quite a bit trading real money, thinking that I was ready with a strategy that I had no idea what I was doing, no business trading in the market. Now, I'm not including the small account challenge in those statistics because it's a whole different ball game. It's only 3 trades a week. It's not my style of trading, and as you can see, I'm red in the account. I will be trading in this account probably Monday or Tuesday in the coming week. But yeah, it's a whole different type of trading. So anyways, let's get moving on then. Wasted enough time with that. I just think it's pretty fantastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and push play. This is a simulator, as I said. So we push play. We have 5 minutes to go till the market opens. Let's mark out some support and resistance levels. First, looking at the gap scanner. Today we have quite a few nice looking stocks. You have TISI, you have MEGL down here, which is actually on the high of day momentum scanner, which is why I have this MEGL as my second stock of the day. You can see the move that it's been making here in the last 15 minutes, looking really strong. Consolidating on TISI, the leading gapper, and the other one here, VRDN. It doesn't have the volume and the float that you would want because it's not, it's not yellow. I code mine as yellow when they're really nice, but it's a higher price stock, so it's okay. The volume can be a little lighter on a higher price stock. The float, 22 million in the float. That's great. That's not bad at all. So that'll be my third pick. Looking over here at the other 2, VEEE from yesterday, and it is making a move kind of in the upward direction. And then we have HLBZ, which is the third leading gapper. It's a little cheaper consolidating below the VWAP, but looking good overall. I mean, if I look at the hourly time frame on it, you can see up here it's a 2-bar pullback so far. I don't know where it's going to find support, but we'll see. So let's mark out our support and resistance. I guess we can start right here on this chart right here. And good morning, by the way. Thank you for joining me. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you learned something today. I hope we both learned something. So you have a descending line here. Shaboom. This is basically a falling wedge at the moment. It's a bull flag. After a big move up, a period of consolidation, it's consolidating a little longer than you'd want it to on a bull flag, or it's more of a pennant. Call it a falling wedge, whatever you want to call it. Bouncing there. So let me see. I'm more interested actually in support and resistance levels. Bulls want to get over $1.65. Let me check the time. So we have 2.5 minutes till the bell rings, and you have a resistance up here and a resistance up there. No support to mark out down here. Didn't really establish any good support on the way up. Maybe something on the 1 minute time frame, but I guess I could draw a line down here. I don't really want to trade it way down here though. Not real interested in that. So far below the VWAP. I'd rather trade something that's trending up. So we have a bit of a rising wedge, kind of, on this one. I had this tightening pattern in the bull break. It's a little clearer on the 5 minute time frame here. Or I'm sorry, the 15 minute time frame. High, low, lower, high, higher, low, bull break, now a pullback. That's kind of interesting, actually. So you got that support. But the longer term time frame, we might see it pull back to this EMA down to a $7.95 area, maybe the $8 area. Who knows, right? Either way, bulls need to get over $9. Try to break over the high of pre-market and the high of post-market. Yada, yada, yada. Let's get over to the other charts. I'm running out of time with only 1 minute to go. This analysis is taking a little while this morning because we have so much going on. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. We have ourselves a quadruple top at $1.85. That's going to be a sight to behold if we break through that one. We have a pivot right here that we'd like to get over, support down here, and we'll see what happens there. Not a lot of price action here on the 15 minute. You got 3 bars up, 5 minutes, sorry. 3 bars up. I'm looking for consolidation, maybe a little bit. We have the 950 support there. I'll go ahead and put my line right here on the 1 minute. And we do have a support down there. Big red candle here. Not a lot of volume on that though. Big upper wick here. Large red volume here. That's notable. And looking at the 15 minute, you have a big red candle here. Volume's somewhat decent on that red candle. Failing on the hourly for now with a long upper wick. That could change. It's only halfway through. The market's open. So I am gonna put those lines there and get ready. I can't trade in that first 1 minute. I'd be looking for a more of a pullback on MEGL. Could buy off of the support down here on the VWAP. But I really feel like it's gonna pull back more. We have 10 more seconds till I could possibly place a trade. So breaking out over 10 there. I don't know how badly I really want to try to jump into that. I'll buy that pullback there and we'll see. We'll see if we get the break back over 10. Yeah, coming down to that support. Let's see how strong it is. I'm holding it for just a little bit. I want to see if it actually will break out here. Doesn't look good on the 5. I'm going to buy this one here, VRDN. I got stopped out over here on HLBZ. I was in a trade on it right here. I bought off of the descending line here, lost $1,000, got stopped out on that. So down 1,000 already. I'm going to take some partial profit there on MEGL. I'm just going to get out the rest there. Small win. I think I'll sell a partial there on VRDN. Coming up to $21. I might hold the rest just to see if we get follow through. Oh, maybe it's gonna fail there. I'm gonna move my stop loss up to close to break even on that second half. Everything is pulling back right now, so we're seeing some consolidation across the board. Except for VRDN. VRDN looking somewhat strong thus far. I don't know that MEGL is going to hold this support. We've tested it multiple times now. So the leading gapper TISI really breaking down there. TISI. Can VRDN see that move higher? Want to see a breakthrough 21. Meeting some resistance there. Having a hard time getting over it immediately. And a fabulous trade over here. I'm going to take my profit. Got into a really nice trade over here as this green candle closed right here and we pulled back. I jumped in it twice and then it shot up and I sold for a quick $2,000. You can see at the top of your screen, if you look at the top, you can see where I'm up $2,000 on VEEE. I'm down 1,000 on HLBZ. And then if you look over here, at the top of your screen, you can see my P&L also there too. I'm going to go ahead and jump back in this one. Starting to look good. This one, when I say this one, I mean VRDN. Well, new 5-minute candle. It might pull back a little bit more. If I get stopped out, I might jump back in it. See if we get the break there. I'm selling half, moving my stop loss up to the low of that candle. Let's see the breakthrough 21. Can we get it? Where the stock is really choppy, I'm just going to get out of it right there. It's just too choppy. It's too like it's really having a hard time going. And it's a higher price stock, so that can be the case. That's a nice breakthrough 21. Now I can buy the pullback and look for an immediate move up. It's selling it there. So that was a nice trade. You saw how we broke through 21, we pulled back, and that was my signal to enter, also on that new 1 minute candle. So I'm up $3,200, $3,300 now on the day. But this one really making its move higher now. In there and selling and selling. There we go. Just buying. I was buying for that break through the high. It was a little risky. My stop was a little tight. I'm jumping in over here now. I'm gonna sell half right there. Ooh, that one's not breaking. So I gave back some profit on that one. Oh, halted on VRDN. Wishing that I would have stayed in that for that halt. So I'm jumping in here now. See VRDN. See it's halted. So I'm in on VRDN here. Let's see if we can get some follow through. Had a nice big green candle on some pretty good volume. Pulling back momentarily here. Oh, that line isn't exactly the spot where... Yeah. That line is misleading. I shouldn't have had that there. I fooled myself. Well, let's see if the low of this candle can hold. I'm not feeling all warm and fuzzy about it. I'm going to sell half just to mitigate any type of loss that could occur. And let's see if we can make up for it here on maybe a move up. No, I'm going to get out. I don't like it. It might break, but I'm just taking the loss on it. And it's okay. Losses are part of the game. I always say if I make a mistake, I can easily correct that mistake. Just get out. You know, yeah, I'm going to take a small loss, but if it doesn't look the way I thought it was going to look after I get in it, I just get out. And that's the problem with the small account challenge is I can't do that because I only get 3 trades. And that's why I struggle so much with the small account. And so now if MEGL starts to break here, I could jump back in it. You say, okay, well, yeah, I guess it is going to be strong. Maybe I could jump back in it and see if we get a move up through the highs. I'm going to get rid of that line because I'd be looking for a move up over $10. So I could, it hasn't broke yet. So getting in there is that's a little premature. There's that break, and I'm just going to go ahead and take my profit when I've got it. I'm back green on the stock again. I'm not sure I want to buy a halt here on the resumption of BRDN. Halted at 636. Resumption will be at... Why can't I do math? 36 plus 5. It's 41. So at 341 will be the resumption. So we have a minute to go. I would have to change my stop loss parameter. Wow, this one really broke, didn't it? That is pretty. That was really nice. Oh, I got back out for a small win. Yeah. I am up $4,500 on the day. Holy cow, look at this thing go. Wow. Incredible momentum. I'm a little sad that I didn't take advantage of that. I wanted to see it break quicker, so I got back out. Took a small loss on that. I want to see it break through 11. I'll buy that pullback there. Let's see if we go back up. No, I don't want to play that game. Giving back a little bit of profit. We have 1050 down here. We have the high of day that we broke through. I would buy it at the high of day retest. Even 1050 I could buy it. I'll take a starter position on it. We could get a 2-bar pullback though. So we have a new 1-minute candle. This VRDN now resuming. I'm going to sell this over here, MEGL, and I'm going to look for a drop. Boy, look at VRDN taking off there. I want to buy that, but what I'm worried about is a flush back down. I'll buy it if it flushes down to 21, 20-ish, down to 22 even. Of course, being careful that it doesn't get halted going down also. See if we get a break here on MEGL. We're up over $11 now. Well, sold it for a small profit. Ooh, there's a pullback. Could have bought that pullback. Well, I'm up $4,800 on the day. Pretty close to 5,000. Stocks over here, VEEE and HLBZ both pulling back. And of course, TISI, never took any trades on that one. It's just trading below the VWAP. And VRDN pulling back there. It's, I don't know. See, I could have bought that halt resumption up in this area, but it didn't keep going. And now we're going to have a big red candle here probably, with less than a minute to go before this one closes. Can we break? What is this line that I have drawn? What is that? Oh, I drew that on the hourly. That was an hourly pre-market high yesterday. You've got that one, and you've got this one. What time is it? So I've been trading for almost 15 minutes. I'm well above my daily goal. Nice move here. Nice move on TISI. I didn't see that. I would have probably jumped in it had I seen it. See how we had a bear break and then a bull break? Oh yeah, that's nice. It's a little late now for me to get in it. Pretty close to that VWAP. Ooh. Thing's got a spread on it, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna get back out. I'm done. I'm done with that one. I was worried about it dropping further. It's a nice pullback, but the spread is crazy. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit like I didn't take advantage of the day the way I should have. I feel like I've missed out. Even though I'm up like $4,600, I'm up 2 times the daily goal. I just feel like I could have done so much better. Yeah, I'm selling that there. I'm going to sell that one right there too. I'm not going to wait for the break. I'm just selling it because we have struggled. Now, if it does break, it might break fast, quick and hard. Let's see, is it going to break here? The second attempt. There it goes. Very nice. Way to go, but rejecting at 1150. Even though that was a nice trade I just took on MEGL, you know, for the move up to the high, I still feel like I'm just not trading very good today. I feel like I could do so much better. So I am at $5,371. Now this is a good place, I think, probably to get into a trade here. I'm not going to do it because I'm done. I'm up 5,300 bucks and I'm going to call that good. So I hope you do as well in your trading, and if not, just keep practicing. You'll get it. Develop your strategy, keep practicing it. It'll get better and better. It's taken me several years to get a good strategy together. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video, and it'll be a simulator video. And look out next week for that small account challenge video where I will try my hardest to actually make some money. So we'll see you then or tomorrow, and have a good day. Bye.